right, we're gonna do a commercial door with a lishi tool. We're gonna open it up. All right. Now this lishi tool, I noticed it's a little off. I don't know, for some reason, maybe I bent it. But I put it on the number, like say it's on 2, and I go down, that's fine. I'm on 3, I could actually push it down a little bit, it just clicked. 4, I could go down a little bit. 5 is down. Now we're gonna go back to 1. It's a little off, I think the lishi's broke. 2 went down a little bit, 3 went down, 4 went down. Go back, I think it's this 1, it's off. Just keep going until eventually it's gonna open. If you got a good lishi, it would have been open already. See how that's moving? You just go like that. That's a little off. There we go, there's a click. It's like even off on the number. You just gotta feel it. See, that 1 is definitely not even gripping the 1 good. That's good. And there we go. So you just keep playing with it until eventually it'll open, okay? Now, just go down on each one. The 1, go, if it's solid, if it's going where you can have a click it down. 2, the same thing. So when everything gets all down, it'll eventually turn. You know, this lishi is definitely not right, but we had the video, I didn't want, I wanted to get it done. But I'm gonna do another video on how to take this lock out from my technicians. Alrighty, have a great day.